Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make cheesy text. So let's jump right into it. Grab your type tool and write your text. I'm gonna use this font because it already has rounded letters, but you can choose whichever font you prefer. I'll then make 2 copies of this. And I'll make the bottom copy same color as my background, my middle color, this color over here, and my top copy this little darker. I'm going to select my first and second copies of the text and go to Object, Blend, Make, Object, Blend, Blend Options, choose Specified Steps, and I'm going to add about 100. As you can see, it now looks like the text is coming out of the background. I want to edit the positioning of this, so I'm going to double click again, and now I can move my top copy around. And I'm going to place it right about here. I'll then bring this to the middle and place this right on top. Kind of like that. So we have our cheese text coming out of the background. Now we're going to grab our ellipse tool, make some circles of various sizes. We're then going to select all of the circles we made. And we're going to click here to fill them in with a gradient. Now we're going to click on this little dot, press on the eyedrop tool, color picker, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to go with the one side for the color of the background, and this dark side, we're going to go with the color of our top copy. Now we can change the angle of the gradient. So you can always go back and change that later. And now we're going to place our cheese holes in the text. We can resize them and add a bunch more if you want. Just place them in. Just randomly all around your text. And that's it. That's your cheesy text. Pretty cool, right?